Telstra Smart Modem 4 Setup Guide. First, connect the modem to your internet service. Plug the power adapter into the modem and a wall outlet. If you have an NBN connection box, connect the red WAN cable from the UNI-D port on the NBN box to the red WAN port on the modem. If you have FTTN or FTTB, connect a gray DSL cable from your phone wall socket to the modem's DSL port. Second, turn on the modem. Press the power button, wait up to 10 minutes while the modem starts up and installs any available software updates. When ready, the front LED will turn solid blue. Third, connect your devices. On your phone or computer, open Wi-Fi settings, select the Wi-Fi name printed on the sticker underneath the modem, enter the Wi-Fi password printed on the same sticker. You can also connect the computer using an Ethernet cable plugged into one of the yellow LAN ports. Fourth, test your internet. Open a web browser and visit a website. If it loads, your Telstra Smart Modem 4 is successfully set up. If there's no connection after 10 minutes, restart the modem, check that all cables are securely connected, and confirm your Telstra internet service has been activated. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.